Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope you're okay. First of all, I would like to welcome honorable judges of this competition, my beloved teacher, and everyone that I can mention one by one. Welcome. I am Nurlita, participant from State Vocational High School, Tublada. Well, ladies and gentlemen, before I start my presentation, let's be praised for Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for blessing us good health, and so we can come here today in student competition of Vocational High School 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, in this gracious opportunity, I would like to give my presentation about collaboration and communication in automation. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, my presentation only 7 minutes. If you are ready, let's start my presentation. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I divided my presentation into 4 parts. The first is description collaboration. The second is concept of excellent service. The third is type of communication. And the last is automation. Okay, well, ladies and gentlemen, I will start my presentation about definition of collaboration. What do you know about collaboration? Collaboration is cooperative process between two or more people who have the same goals. The example of collaboration are the first, sharing documents. The second is task management. And the last is training and sharing sessions. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next slide about there are 3 concepts of excellent service. As we can in the slide, the first is attitude. What do you know attitude? I mean here is the attitude are friendless, careless, and a sign of pride of the company. Next, the second is attention. When providing service to customers, it is necessary to pay attention to the desires of the consumers. The third is action. What do you know action? The action is not what customer want. With excellent service, good relationship with the stability. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the following slide about type of communication. There are 2 types of communication. As we can in the slide, the first, direct communication. What do you know about direct communication? Direct communication is communication directly, face to face, with speaker. Next, the second is indirect communication. What I'm trying to say is communication with the help of a third party or communication tools. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to the next slide about automation. What do you know about automation? Automation is a formal and informal information system, especially those related of communication and information to and from different people inside and outside the company. Well, ladies and gentlemen, in office automation is applying hack the combined technology, the pay improvisation, the work implementation process. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now become the last slide about conclusion. Collaboration and communication are two important skills. By understanding the importance of collaboration and communication and implement the goal will effectively result. Well, the goal be reached effectively by using media as reinforcement. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this slide let's be my presentation. That's all for me. Thank you for watching.